Royal was founded on a dream to design and build the best cooking equipment possible. Upgrade your kitchen today with Royal products so you can put more time into what makes up your dream menu. Royal, engineered for excellence. Introducing the Royal Electric Range. The Royal Electric Range has all the features you find in the higher-priced national brands at a price point the operator deserves. All electric ranges come standard with built-in circuit breakers to help ensure your range is never completely down. The range oven uses a 4 kilowatt bottom element and a 1 kilowatt top element to help ensure even baking in the oven. All the edges on the ranges are fully welded and polished for strength and durability. All ranges come standard with stainless steel front, sides, and heavy-duty oven doors. Ranges can be configured with a 9-inch sealed hot plate element, which are 2 kilowatts each, or a 3/4 inch thick polished steel griddle plate with 200 to 500 degree Fahrenheit thermostats every 12 inches. All hot plate ranges come standard with a heavy-duty stainless steel crumb tray. The oven has a 5-surface porcelain interior for easy cleaning. The oven bottom is removable without tools if repairs are ever needed. The oven comes standard with 5-position removable chrome rack guides and 1 heavy-duty chrome rack. All ranges have the option of either a stainless steel high shelf or a 6-inch stub back with easy-to-use mounting brackets. Royal electric ranges are available with both standard oven and convection oven configurations. The Royal Electric Range, engineered for excellence. For further information regarding the electric range, please contact Royal Customer Service at 951-360-1600 or email us at customerservice@royalranges.com.